and welcome to today's video. It's another gray day outside, which is why it's kind of dark in here, but we have the sunshine of a bright pink package, which contains my Ipsy bag for June. I wasn't really planning on doing this video, but I got home and this was waiting for me, and I thought, yes, let's sit down, do a real quick little unbagging of my Ipsy bag, and we will see what is in this together and what I may or may not be reviewing over the next month. Just as a little bit of extra information, I usually don't tell you about this stuff, but if you're curious, as a Canadian, getting an Ipsy bag, this is gonna cost you around $19 depending on the exchange rate at the time that it comes. It varies a little bit, but it stays in that like $18 to $20 range, which means it's about twice the price as it costs in the US. As a comparison, BoxyCharm ends up being around $34 to $36 Canadian. I do find that that one tends to be a better value because it's not quite twice the price, but you do get full size. But I always am curious to see what comes in Ipsy, because sometimes there are some great winners in here, although they are all sample sizes as compared to the full size that you get in BoxyCharm. So nothing additional in the bag this month. This is the little makeup bag. So it's sort of a vinyl kind of feeling and just the reds and pinks. But that's nice. I mean, it would work pretty well as a, makeup bag. It doesn't have anything weird going on in it that would make me, embarrassed or anything to use this. So let's get the little card out first. Flying colors is the theme this month. They don't ever really list for you what you're getting. Everybody gets different stuff in their Ipsy bag as opposed to BoxyCharm, where there's a couple of variations, but generally people get the same things. And I never know where to start here. This feels like it might be a lip. No, it's a tube. Just pick something, Melissa, and start. Okay. Oh, okay. So Pixie Glow Tonic. Actually, this is good. Let me tell you why. I use this stuff all the time. I've done a review on this. It's actually the most viewed video on my channel was my long-term half-face test of using Pixie Glow Tonic. So while I do not need to review this again, I'll link that video down below. I actually ran out of mine, so this will do a good job of holding me over until I get my next bottle, and that means that I will definitely use this. Also, actually, I can keep this and use it when I travel, so even though it's not something new and exciting for me, it's definitely going to get used, which is awesome. Okay, squeezy tube next. Boom, what is this? Okay, it's a Makeup Forever Skin Equalizer Step 1 Hydrating Primer. Awesome. I am not sure I have ever used a Makeup Forever product, so that is awesome and something that I can try out and see how that does. I do find my skin lately is really enjoying hydrating products, even though it's coming up on summer where it doesn't tend to be as dry. I think just because my skin is getting a little bit older, it just wants all the moisture. So I'm looking forward to trying that. What do we got next? Little jar-y kind of thing? Yes, let's do that. Oop. Okay, it's a tiny little jar, and this is the Belief in Truth Moisturizing Eye Balm. Okay, a little concerning that's called an eye balm, as in B-O-M-B, but okay, it's a tiny little thing. You can see it's not even like the full package, but it seems to be an eye cream, which means a little is going to go a long way. So this says it is a essential eye cream. It provides intense moisture and boosts elasticity, and this eye cream has been clinically tested to provide up to 26 hours of moisture and improve skin elasticity, which is definitely what I need. So I'm going to use this. I'm in the market for a good eye cream. There is an eye cream that I really loved, and it was just crazy expensive after I used up the samples. So maybe what I'll do is sort of a half face, try this under one eye, use a different eye cream under the other to see what kind of effect that it has. So again, that's pretty awesome. Okay, I have two boxy kind of things left. What is this one? Okay, that's interesting. This is a brand I've never heard of, which is what I love about subscription bags, is getting brands I've not heard of. This is Kaleido Cosmetics Skin Blush, Soft as Skin Blush. Let me just show you the packaging there. Focus, focus, focus. There we go. And it's got some neat little sort of kaleidoscope patterns on the side. Talc-free and formulated with 100% plant-based ingredients. This soft skin perfecting blush goes on like powder and wears like seamless silk. Now that's a good reason to blush. And it says Blush Blend Booyah Apply Skin Blush in light strokes with fluffy brush. Let's see the color of this. Is it gonna open for me? Ooh, that is a very, very light blush. Like that's almost a like setting powder kind of color. It's very silky and it's a little peachy, but that's interesting. I am definitely going to try that. And the last product that we have is another sort of boxy kind of thing. And what is it? Okay, it's an Ipsy Lip Polish Luxury Lip Gloss in the shade Skinny Dip. I've tried Ipsy nail polish before and also a liquid lipstick. I will link those videos down below. I'm just trying to get the box open so we can see the color of this with a name like Skinny Dip. It's probably nude. I just totally ripped apart the box there. That's okay. Okay, so instead of me staring at it, not showing you, it's kind of like a peach shimmery kind of gloss. Ooh, okay, I just have a liquid lip on right now, so let's pop a little bit on. It's got a very sweet kind of flavor to it. You know, it would help me to have a mirror when I did these things. That provides a really nice glossy gloss. It feels thick but not too sticky and just really nice. So those are my items and I would say there's not a dud in the bunch. I've got a product that I know that I love that I'm definitely going to use. I have an eye cream when I've been searching for a new eye cream. I have a blush from a brand I've never heard of, so that's totally fun to get to play with. A primer that I think is probably going to work well for me that I again have not used, so I get to test that out. And a gloss, and I am enjoying glosses lately and I can try this out as well. So all of these fun items to get, totally worth it. Very happy with my Ipsy this month. And that is it from me, but I would love to hear what you guys received in your Ipsy subscription. If you get an Ipsy subscription, I don't know why that is so difficult for me to say today. Leave that in the comments down below. I do try to respond to every comment that I get on my channel because I just so thoroughly appreciate you taking the time to watch the videos and, you know, leave a comment that I want to respond back and have a bit of a conversation and yeah, get to know each other a little bit. If you like this video, then like this video. There's a little thumbs up button down there somewhere that you can hit that lets me know that you like this video. And while you are down there, you can subscribe, you can hit the bell notification so that you know when I post. And I will also put one of my other videos. How about my BoxyCharm video over here so you can watch my other unboxing if you have not so far. I just posted it yesterday. If I get this up tonight. Okay, I'm gonna go. I will see you in my next video. Bye.